video. We are on a 30-day clutter-free closet challenge. Last week I gave a quick update of how far everything is coming along. It is really interesting. I am so happy with everything so far. I have done 2 sections of my closet so far. The upper part, which we did on the first day, it's well organized, it's looking beautiful. The second part, which is this upper part, is well organized, is looking good. I love it. It's been serving me so well. And today we are going to the third part of the clothes. This third part is down below and it's messy, it's disorganized, it's not looking good. Even though the upper part is well organized and looking pretty much great, the lower part needs to be really organized so that I'm able to see what I have in here. This jeans I wore it yesterday, and at the back there I have my other jeans. Next to them are my palazzo pants, official pants. Then right at the back of this pile here are my skirts and tops. You can't see them. And at the far corner, that far corner, I have all my dresses. In front here are clothes that I wear mostly in the house, and most of them need to go. Most of them I'm gonna let go of. So yeah, basically this is the part we are looking at today. Let me know how you guys are coming along with your closet. Let me know how you guys are doing. How far are you in your closet? And what are you learning? What have you seen so far? I would really love to know if you're taking this challenge with us, if you're thinking of taking it. I mean, let me know what you guys think on the comment section. The jeans, the palazzo pants and the official pants, my dresses, through a few clothes that I haven't worn in a long while, like this jumpsuit. I think it still fits. It still fits. I love it. Waist that you can tie up. It has pockets in my leg, which I really love. We are keeping this one. This dress used to be one of my favorites. I love the way the sleeves cut on my arms, and it's one of my favorite designs of sleeves. It just flatters my body. So it has side slits, but it's kind of loose now. It's big, and it's meant to actually fit perfectly, you know. That's how it's meant to be, but as it is very loose. So I'm thinking of maybe giving it to my sister to try and see if she can wear it. So yeah, this one I'm letting go. This next dress used to be my mom's. I love this dress. I've worn it a couple of times. It's one of those vintage, pretty nice dresses, but I haven't worn it in the recent past. I am not thinking of letting it go. Let me just fit it so that you guys can see how it looks. This is how it looks. Has little button details there and on the sleeves. Has 2 pockets. It's an A-line, nice circular dress. I wish you could see the length of it, but this is how it looks like. It's a dress that I'm keeping for sure, even though I think I am not going to wear it. But like I said, who knows, I might pass it on to my kids some days. I want to keep some of these pieces from my mom so that I will pass them down to my children if God ever blesses me with kids. So yeah, that's my thought and my idea of this dresses. I have another one from her. It's a nice wine red dress, a vintage piece that I used to wear at some point quite a lot. It's an airline vintage dress with long sleeves which have buttons here and also on this side. It has belt hooks on the waist. I will keep this as well. I love the color, however I will not wear it, but I just want to keep it. This dresses from my mom and a coat that I have from her. These are my gifts from her, and I will not want to discard them. This was a wedding dress, I think 10 years ago if I'm not wrong, and it's slightly big as it is, but I love the color of this dress. It's a rich orange and some Ankara fabric around the waist, and this ruffle sleeves. It's currently big. It would need some adjusting and some slimming. It's one of those dresses that I think might come in handy one of these days if I'm going to a wedding, if I'm going to a Rashio, I don't know, I might just pull this one dress and wear it. It has a touch of African and a nice orange color. I think I just need to resize it for it to fit perfectly, but I'm keeping it. I have this red wine. No, it's not red wine, it's purple. It's no, it doesn't flatter me. It's not a tight fabric, it's very loose, so I will just let it go. A really cute floral dress, but it needs repair. This came off and I haven't repaired it. It's one of my cute summer wedding dresses. I have worn it once and it was really pretty. It's for keeps. This, which I am not keeping by the way, that has to go. And this one, this is big. I have kept it in hopes that I might wear it or I will wear it someday, but it's big and it's pretty new. I think I worn it only once, but I don't think I will wear it again, especially now that I cut some weight. This will not fit me, it will look funny on me, so this I will let go of. That's pretty much it about fitting and just looking at what I have in terms of dresses, pants. They are all here, and I've actually let go of a couple of dresses, a couple of pants and skirts, and I'm keeping actually what I love, what I will wear, and what fits perfectly. The rest I have discarded. Let's return everything back to the closet, starting with the jeans, official palazzo pants, here the skirts, some t-shirts and shorts, then dresses, more dresses, and ladies and gentlemen, that's the way everything is.